You already know this video is going to be based on the title, but I have this wall and it's boring. There's nothing there and I want to put things there. And I didn't know what to put there for a really long time because there's like a circle and then a rectangle, so I couldn't really like frame things. I couldn't have like rectangular posters. I feel like it just looked weird. It's too like rigid. So I wanted something without a defining shape, and it took me a while to figure out what that was until I came across this flower wall. Blaze is literally licking my toes right now. Blaze, you don't get to do that for free. Oh, I said his name. I startled you. I'm sorry. Hi. It's a video. Look at all the flowers. The flowers. The flowers.
Welcome back to my channel.
Oh, I just hit myself.
It's 50. Not 90.
It's literally 50 bucks. Welcome to my wall. This is actually so cute. I went with fake flowers instead of real because I just cannot be bothered. So I cut all the tags off. Here comes the scary part. I've got to actually cut the flowers themselves because as pretty as this is with the leaves and everything, it's just too much. So I'm gonna have to get rid of the leaves, so it's just like a single flower because that's what I'm going for. But it's kind of scary actually cutting into this. Guess we have to do it at some point. Here is my wall. I was super nervous going into cutting these, but after I actually have, I think it looks so cute. It's so pretty. It honestly looks so much better, in my opinion. So now I've got to rearrange them on my wall. Oops. And I'm thinking, here's my thought process right now. Like, what if I go 3 down, here, and here, like that. And then I go do this 5 times across the wall. That's my thought right now. We're gonna see how that looks. To do this, I've thought of many ways to stick the flowers onto the wall without wrecking my wall because I don't want to have to repaint this wall like ever because it matches the rest of the house and I cannot be bothered. I just can't be bothered dealing with any of that. So I thought of sticky tape, but that's definitely gonna wreck my walls. I thought of wall safe sticky tape, but I wasn't sure if it would be strong enough to hold the flowers to the wall, and I also wasn't sure if it'd wreck my walls anyway. I thought of blue tack, but it kind of looks ugly, and I also wasn't sure if it would hold onto the walls. But then I thought of these hooks, and I've used these for like literally so many things in my room already, and I know for a fact that it holds pretty good, and it's like clear, and it looks, you know, it's not obvious. I can probably stick something over it if I want to. I could put a sticker over it. So this is my best bet for now. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna have the little hook and then we're gonna slot the flower into the hook and we'll see how it goes. My main issue is I'm so scared of it looking wonky. And I'm like, should I measure this before I start? Here's the plan. I have no plan. Okay, so it's been an hour. I have walked Blaze, he's sleeping right there, so if he suddenly gets up you might see him. I also cleaned the wall a little bit, I just kind of like wiped it with a wet cloth. Should I have done that before? Probably. But it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. So now, it's the moment of truth. Will this work? I'm kind of scared that it would just like pop straight off. I probably should have thought about what colors I wanted and like combination I wanted to stick it on. But we're just gonna wing it. I love, this is my favorite. This might work. That's kind of cool. No! Broke another one. Another one came off. I left this one out because I wasn't sure if I wanted to add it in, But I actually think it looked kind of cool with the wall now that I can see it, you know? I know that it would look cool. I kind of want this like here. But I think these are kind of ugly. I don't know. They're not ugly, but it just doesn't go with the wall. So I think I might just have the leaves and cut these off. Maybe I don't like this. Maybe if it's just... There we go. I think this looks a lot better. It's a lot cleaner. Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, this actually looks so good. This turned out so much better than I thought it would. And I'm so excited about it. Look at the wall! It was plain and now it has flowers. Oh. But I've got all of these now, these like little pieces from cutting off the flowers, and I think that I'm gonna stick it onto this vine right here. Like I just wanna like kind of spread it out throughout. I feel like that would look kind of cool. I don't know, I don't want it to go to waste. Wasn't really part of the plan, but now it is. What do you think, Blaze? Come on, have a look. I need to know your opinion. Blaze, what do you think of this? What do you think? You don't really care, do you? Okay. So here's our finished product. So here's the finished product. It's actually so much better than I thought it would be. I don't know, it looks so much cuter and like Pinteresty than I thought it would, which is cool. Love that for me. Even better, I've got flowers left over, so I can return these and it's gonna end up costing even less than 48, which is great because 48 was way too much for me to spend on this. And I also love that this, like I wasn't expecting to be able to decorate this as well, but I got to add flowers into this, like, ow. But that's cool. Now I have a wall that is not plain and I'm so excited about it. That wall's irritated me for a very long time. Anyway, so thanks for watching. Bye!